Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to wear your school ribbon correctly. First, always identify the designated side for your ribbon. It's usually the left. Position it precisely at the top of your shoulder seam, ensuring it lies flat and straight. It's important that the ribbon is clearly visible and not obscured by your hair or any part of your uniform. This initial placement sets the foundation for a neat and proper appearance throughout your school day. Once positioned, securing your ribbon properly is key. A small safety pin or a subtle brooch works best. Carefully pierce through both the ribbon and the uniform fabric in a discreet location, perhaps underneath the ribbon itself, to avoid visible holes. After fastening, give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firm. You want the ribbon to lie perfectly flat against your uniform, without any sagging or twisting, for a polished look. While the basic placement is consistent, some schools have specific style requirements. Many prefer a simple, straight drape of the ribbon, extending neatly down the shoulder. However, other schools might allow for a small, neatly tied bow at the shoulder point, adding a touch of elegance. It is always crucial to consult your school's official uniform guidelines. These rules will clearly outline the approved style, ensuring you meet all expectations for your school's appearance standards. To keep your school ribbon looking its best, proper care is essential. Always remember to remove the ribbon before washing your uniform. This prevents damage and maintains its crisp appearance. When storing, lay it flat or gently roll it to avoid any creases. If it becomes wrinkled, you can iron it on a very low heat setting, ideally using a pressing cloth to protect the fabric. With these simple steps, your ribbon will remain pristine for a long time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.